Hello everyone. Today we'll be exploring what credit note is and how does it function in ERPNext. A credit note is a document issued by a seller to the customer indicating that a credit has been issued to their account against the returned goods of the buyer. A credit note for the value of goods returned by the customer may be less than or equal to the order value. How to make a credit note? The user may create a credit note against the sales invoice or create a credit note directly from the sales invoice without reference. Observe that to create a credit note, the invoice should be settled through a payment entry. Go to the corresponding sales invoice and click on Create and Credit Note. The customer and item information will be retrieved as in the sales invoice. If partially or completely the customer had already paid, record a payment entry against the initial sales invoice, save and submit. The item quantity and payment amount will be negative since it's a return. How does a credit note affect ledger? Once the payment entry has been made against the original sales invoice, the amount will get added in negative to the customer's account, so that the next time the customer makes a purchase, this amount will get deducted. This is what happens to the ledger after a payment entry against an invoice return. If no payment had been made on the original invoice, you may simply cancel the sales invoice. However, when only 5 of 10 items are returned from an invoice, making a credit note will be helpful for ledger updating. For example, a customer Rohan bought PVC pipes that values to $300 plus taxes, but was delivered damaged goods. Upon product return, the system will create a credit note to refund or adjust.